Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Alright, today we are beginning the fifth and final piece in the Metal Earth Transformers line, and we're going to be doing Megatron. Fan favorite, of course, leader of the Decepticons. Loving it. Now, this line has been somewhat disappointing so far. Hopefully, this one will make up for it. We will find out soon. It's also worth noting, this is the final metal model transformer that'll be on my channel for the foreseeable future. We've simply done them all. We've gone through the Mu Model G1 line and the Mu Model IDW line. We're doing the Metal Earth G1 line. There just really doesn't seem to be much else out there. So I'm going to start picking on some different series here. I've got one already lined up. I hope you guys enjoy it. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging and see what comes inside. And here is the packaging for our Metal Earth Megatron here. And the cannon looks a little stubby here. That head sculpt, oh my. I don't know really what to say about that. He looks very apish in this particular shot here. We'll find out, I guess, when we go to build it. But we got the block hands again. I mean, the legs here look fairly standard. This actually worries me, this part right here. If this is anything like what they did with the Optimus build, this is going to be a pain in the butt to put together. He does have his hip skirt here, so that's good. I like this little detail on the outside of the arm. That's nice. I hope the final piece represents this fairly well. On the back side here, different angle, and looks like we got 3 sheets of metal here. It's a 6 out of 10, just like every other piece in this line. There's the other 4, all of which we've already built. This is a 3-sheet model, so let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, here we are, 3 sheets. Lots of silver, but we also have the black and red here. They have the same glittery feature that all of the others had. There's the fists, so you know, about the same size as every other piece. Not a lot to say about this. Oh, that's a nice gradient. That's really nice there. I like that. Not a lot to say here. It's pretty standard and definitely expected. Obviously we've got the interior of the legs here, not a lot of detail to them, which is some, ooh, unfortunate. This is tactile. This, the black area here is actually inset a little bit. So this is tactile. This is nice. I like that. That is really good. Well done, Metal Earth. Well done. All right. Okay, well, there's not too much to say about those, though, so let's take a look at the instructions here. Okay, so we've got our legs here. I'm looking to see if this has the same problem as the Optimus one. No, it does not. This is, okay, much better. Much better. Okay, this little rounded bit right here on the Optimus build attached only to one side on the thigh here, right at the knee joint. And then there were 2 tabs on a loose end of the cylinder, and then one from the thigh itself, and a 3rd tab on the back. And you had to try and get it all lined up while the cylinder's like flopping around. Taking the cylinder and attaching it to the shin before on its own like this, it's going to make it a lot more stable and a lot easier to build. So I am looking forward to that. That should be nice. Looks like they learned their lesson. All right. Instructions are basically the same as far as size goes. Nice big pictures, which is good. Looking forward to this. This may exceed my expectations and be a nice finish to this line. But let's go ahead and get some parts cut out and start putting this thing together. And here he is, Megatron, Metal Earth version, I guess 2.0, fully assembled and looking pretty nice actually. I enjoyed this build. Well done, Metal Earth. Well done. You brought the fun back. Not particularly difficult. The head, by far the most difficult part, but the thing really went together fairly smooth. Didn't have a whole lot of issues. And I'm reasonably impressed with the final product. He's not Starscream, but he is definitely a heavy contender for number 2 in this particular line. I like the guy. I really, really do. Let me go ahead and bring him in, and we will give you a closer look, and I'll give you my thoughts. So, first, the head. Certainly not my favorite head sculpt for Megatron, but not as bad as I was afraid he was going to be after looking at the packaging. It's actually not that bad. A decent enough Megatron sculpt. He still has that kind of monkey-ish look here, but I mean, it's actually so small, it's hard to tell. Not sure what they could have done different, to be honest with you. But all in all, it doesn't look bad. We've got this excellent inset design here, where the neck and top of the chest and everything it's actually really nice. I like it a lot. The chest itself, still a little narrow for my taste, but the Decepticon logo and the laser etching here really kind of make up for it. And on the back, you've also got all of this wonderful laser etching and everything to go with it as well. And this is what really sets it apart. Okay, if you take a look at Optimus and everything, and we'll bring him out, there's no laser etched detail or anything. It's just paint slapped over it, and that's about it. The arms themselves, again, we've got more laser etched detail, these little lines, the little venting thing here, and this is tactile. As I'm running my finger down, my fingernail's getting caught in there, so quite nice. The hands are still blocks. 'Tis what it is. The gun, the cannon here, it's on top, which is cartoon accurate. I prefer it on the side, but it is cartoon accurate, so I'll give it a pass. And, it's okay. It's not bad. A little bland compared to the rest for some reason. I don't know why, but it does have the etching here along the top, which is nice. I love that they got the red here for the elbow. So we've got some differentiation along the arm there. It's really quite nice. The crotch is this gunmetal black here, and it's got tons of laser etched detail all along it, which is great. I mean, on the back and the front, all of this detail. The abdomen has his little control panel and whatnot there. Looking pretty good, actually. And look at all of this laser etched detail along the thigh. And it really did. It went together very, 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 very nicely. On the legs here, the feet are, or I should say really just the toes. But it does have this nice heel to it, which is great. Lots of little paint and laser etched details along the sides. In the end, this is a very nice piece. I'm quite happy with it. I'm happy to have it in my collection. And Metal Earth, you really kind of stepped up your game for this one. It's really good. I really like the cannon on the back here too, the barrel there. This is a very nice piece. It is also a very big step up from 1.0. This is the original Megatron that Metal Earth put out years and years and years ago. And there's really not a whole lot to compare here. I mean, this Megatron is blocky. It almost looks like it's based off the G1 toy more than it is the cartoon Megatron. And that's fine and all. It does have more laser etching. It's got like the P38 logo there on the forearm. Lots of little details along the leg here. Look at that. Look at that laser etch detail. I don't know where that went for the new one, but c'est la vie. You know, I'm actually okay with the way the new one looks. So serious step up there. Well done. Well done. To put it to shame, of course, we've got the Moo model version of Megatron here. And again, this is a get what you pay for type of thing. Just like with Optimus, you can get all 5 of the Metal Earth models for what it would cost, for less than what it would cost to get that one Megatron there. So, you know, it is what it is, and you do indeed get what you pay for. And to finish this off, we'll bring out the rest of the line here. And I think I brought the camera in just a little too close. So we'll bring it out here to give you guys a view of the entire line. So here we are. This is it. All 5 of the Metal Earth Transformer models fully assembled. And you know, they don't look too bad as a set. They do not look too bad as a set at all. Definitely Megatron and Starscream are the highlights. Soundwave being the mediocre one, or I should say medium. He's good. But they really did the Autobots dirty in this one. They really, really did. It's unfortunate. I'd love to see more pieces, either in this line or even better in premium scale, but that's really up to Metal Earth. Sadly, until someone decides to make some more of these, this is going to be our farewell to the Transformers series metal models on this channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Maybe leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.